Good morning, Carver Cougars. This is Dr. Hollenbeck with this morning's announcements. Today is Tuesday, October 30th, 2018. It's a great day to be a Carver Cougar, and it looks like it's a great day to be an elephant typing a story on a keyboard. Love it. Remember, tomorrow we have staff committee meetings, and also Friday, November 2nd, is the PTA Fall Festival. And the school-wide PBIS celebration is coming your way. It's this Friday, November 2nd, 2018, during the afternoon. Students, be sure to check with your classroom teacher to see what events are planned and how many tickets are needed to attend. I have loved sharing reading fair ideas with you, and take a look at this one. What really captured my eye was the two-headed robot. Is it a robot? What is it? Well, when I look at the display, it says Franny K. Stein. That sounds kind of like Frankenstein. I wonder what the story is about. Have any of you read this story before? One of the things that excites me about this is by looking at this book, I think I might want to read it. So we'll have to check with Miss Taylor and Mr. Copeland to see if that one is in our library. But I love the bright colors. Remember, we are earning your PBIS tickets, and these are examples of what your tickets look like. Some of you have collected 30, 40, even more. Good job. And remember, this week we're working on CAFE, and in 7 steps we're working on using total response signals. CAFE, just as a reminder, calm bodies and clean your area, ask permission to leave your seat, focus on eating, and excellent manners. I'm going to show you an example of not having excellent manners. And here is an example of a pup chewing with his or her mouth open, and we just really don't want to see the food in people's mouths. So please remember to chew with your mouth closed. Popcorn party. You know what? I stopped at Costco and picked up some more popcorn supplies because we have so many classes that are so close to earning another popcorn party. Remember, we need everyone to school on time and no unexcused absences. And speaking of attendance, you know this already. Attendance is important. But sadly, we went down again. We're at 93.08%. We want to reach at least 96% so that we can have an extra recess for every class. And that way, when we start going up in our numbers, we can have a rocket. Teachers, don't forget, we take attendance reports at 9 o'clock and 1 o'clock. And here is your math joke of the day. I just found this one, and it really makes me laugh, okay? But you might have to have your teacher explain this to you. Now, 5th graders, you might understand this one because I think your teachers this year will be touching on this math concept. So, are you ready? You're going to love this one. Mathematician food fights. Take a look at what they're doing, and there's a reason why this is so funny. So teachers, you might want to go ahead and pause the announcements and explain to your students. In fact, I thought it was so funny that I sent it to my grandson. If it is to be, it is up to me. 10 two-letter words to live by, and don't forget the Pledge of Allegiance. But wait, there's more. Remember last week we started talking about doing math problems with parentheses. Now, the problems I'm showing here are very, very simple, and it's simple enough for everyone, kindergarten through 5th grade, to be able to solve. So, kindergartners, 1st graders, 2nd graders, I know you can do this. So remember, we do what's in the parentheses first and then solve the problem. So here you go. It's 15 divided by, and then in parentheses, 3 plus 2. Okay? So do some thinking. Think back to what you learned last week. And teachers, go ahead and pause on the announcements, and then when you're ready to reveal the answer, you can go ahead and restart your announcements. Go ahead and pause. And here is the answer.